Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you best balance transfer credit cards. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you're carrying a credit card balance right now, well, a balance transfer card can act as a literal financial reset button. Now, let's look at your best options as of right now, but in this case, let's go and start with the very first one. So, the first one here is the US Bank and Wells Fargo Powerhouse. Now, if you want the absolute longest time to pay off a massive balance here, you want to look at these two issuers first. Now, they don't offer flashy rewards though, but they do give you the biggest safety nets in the industry. So we first have the US Bank Shield Visa. Now this is the reigning heavyweight champion as of right now for 2026, giving you an unmatched 24 months of 0% interest on both balance transfers and new purchases. Now for Wells Fargo Reflect here, so this is right behind it. So this card grants a massive 21-month interest-free window for transfers and purchases, making it an incredible pure depth-crushing tool. So next is we have the Citi lineup. So Citi easily has the widest variety of balance transfer options on the market, ranging from pure interest savers to high yield rewards card. Now, first is we have the Citi Simplicity and Diamond Preferred. Now, both of these lock in a stellar 21-month 0% interest window on transfers, and Simplicity is a friend favorite here because it uniquely guarantees zero late fees or penalty interest rates ever. Now, also we have the Citi Double Cash and Custom Cash. So if you want a card that stays valuable long term, so this gives you a slightly shorter 18-month transfer window, but pack in premier rewards, handing you up to like 2% to 5% cash back on your spending. Now, we also have the Chase and American Express hybrids here. So if you already hold a checking account with Chase or AMX, so these cards hit a perfect sweet spot by giving you a solid interest-free runaway while automatically setting you up with great everyday multipliers. So in this case, we have the Chase Freedom Unlimited and Freedom Flex here. So in this case, both of this actually gives you a comfortable 15-month of 0% interest on both transfers and purchases with no annual fee, earning great point multipliers on dining and travel. Now, in this case, we also have the AMX Blue Cash Everyday here. So this card matches a 15-month timeline with zero annual fees, but it feeds you a flat 3% cash back on groceries, gas stations, and online retail shopping. Now, for the golden rule here, so every card that we just discussed here will charge an upfront balance transfer fee between like 3% and 5%. So while adding a few $100 to your tab right away feels annoying here, it easily beats leaving your debt on a standard card charging like 25% interest, which can cost you thousands a year. Now, in this case, protect the promo here. So whatever you do, set your minimum payments to automatic. So if you miss a payment by even a single day, the bank will instantly void your 0% rate and hit you with their full double-digit interest rate. So just keep that in mind. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.